Hi, my name is Jaucelyn Gibson. I am a senior at TIG High School, and today we are going to be doing the milk color explosion science experiment. So what you're going to need is a paper plate, one Q-tip, whatever milk you have within your house, dish soap, and food coloring. So first you're going to start out by pouring a little bit of milk into your plate. Just enough to fill the bottom completely. Alrighty, once you've done that, then you're going to take your colors and kind of just scatter them around. Different drops. We're going to do green, blue, and maybe red. So you're gonna let that settle for a little while, and as you're doing that, you can take your Q-tip and put just a drop of dish soap on your Q-tip. And then in the center, you're just gonna drop your dish soap in there, and your colors should start to spread. One fun thing that you could try is using different types of milk, like milk with different fat content in them. The higher the fat content in the milk, then the slower the colors will take to spread.